Hey guys, so today I will be showing you my DIY charcoal hair mask for soft and shiny hair. This can also help prevent dandruff and also speed up your hair growth. So for this recipe, you'll need coconut milk cream because the natural fatty acid in the coconut milk has extreme moisturizing effects that can help restore both dry hair and scalp, and furthermore, this is a great conditioner for damaged hair. Now you can use it in this form, but personally for me, I like using the whipped version. So if you want to DIY this, all you need is pure coconut milk. Put it in a container like this and then leave that in for 3 to 4 hours. And when you see the curd separating from the water, put that in the fridge for an hour so that you can easily harvest the coconut milk cream. So now that's what it looks like. Now go ahead and whip it until you get into this consistency like this. Now you can actually use this on your skin as well. And now for the main character of this DIY, of course we will be using the activated charcoal because the activated charcoal actually unclogs the hair follicles to promote hair growth. It also absorbs deep-rooted impurities. It helps get rid of oils and the gunk off your hair beyond what your normal or standard shampoo can do. Thus, it can make your hair soft, shiny, and help get rid of dandruff and also better your hair growth. Plus, it can also add more bounce to your hair as well. Okay, so here's a new batch of the coconut milk whipped cream that I made. Now I will be adding in 2 tablespoons of activated charcoal in there. And also, by the way, you guys don't need to add a lot because it can also make your hair dry as well if you add too much. This is the very reason why I paired the coconut milk cream with activated charcoal, because first it will be easier for you to apply on your hair later, and at the same time it will prevent your hair from drying as well. Now you can use this as is right here or put it back in the fridge to get this thicker consistency. So it is totally up to you guys. Now this consistency makes the application so much easier actually, since it's no longer in a liquid form. And I also prefer the coconut milk cream mixed with the activated charcoal versus the coconut oil because it's going to be less messy when you apply it on your scalp. Now as usual, I usually focus it on my scalp and just on the top part of my hair, but you can surely apply this all over your hair as well. I also like the fact that not only does this help your hair grow, but it also detoxifies your scalp and hair. And I know that there's so much emphasis on applying hair masks, but we really need to consider that we need to do this once in a while as well to our hair, just so that our hair doesn't get clogged up with oils or whatever products that we're using in our hair care routine. Now I know at this point I kind of look like someone attacked me, but trust me, it's worth it when you actually see and feel the final results. So this is the result right here. You guys have to try this out because this can make your scalp feel very clean and at the same time make your hair and scalp feel extremely soft as well. And also if you're battling dry and itchy scalp or oily hair and dandruff, and at the same time you want to grow your hair as well, then this mask is definitely for you. I actually used this last time all over my hair and it made my hair very soft and shiny as well. And I used to think that if I drenched my hair with oils enough, it will make my hair shiny and bouncy, but I realized that detoxifying your hair will give your hair that bounce and that shine that you need. So this multi-purpose mask is surely a must try. So that's it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you all have used activated charcoal in your hair, or have you ever included that in some of your hair masks. And as usual, if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!